All right, here's my MATCO inner tie rod set. So I'm getting ready to pull that guy out. Go Skill 12-volt battery, using it. So open her up. Stop it here because I might put it on a different. Let me stop it here. Okay, so this is the first on the internet, the MATCO. Let's see if we can find an adapter that'll fit. There we go. That'll be inch and 1/4. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna stop it here. Okay. Okay. So this is the first video of the MATCO tie rod tool being used. Stop it here.